the bathroom. Okay, here we are back. Let me see if I can get back there, push that out. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. Burning my hair up. I'm already getting thin up there. All right, so what I'll do now is show you a little trick. Take this bolt, roll it right here, like this. Like that. And then get a pair of pliers. And that. That. You just take this, like that. sometimes they cut through, but you just fill it in. That's all I do. All right. There she is, just about. All right, she is coming together. And there you have it. There she be. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. Now, clean it up a little bit. Just a spot right there. All right, man, looking pretty good. Dead battery. I think we'll take a break for the day till this afternoon. But here we go. He wanted me to fiberglass it up. I said, well, I'll put some metal in there. Give it some stability anyway. Like, how you going to glass it? There's nothing there. But yeah, I think it turned out not too bad. Got it up on here pretty good. It's got the dish that it's got to have that comes around, and I'll give you a glimpse of this, but this turned out pretty good right there. Take a look at her. There we go, and got it filled in up in here, but like I say, I'm just going to fiberglass this up, and it's an everyday driver. He's not looking for, you know, like I say, told me to do the best I can with it. This ain't the best I can do, but this is just a quick patch job, and I'm going to do this front later on this evening. But I'm going to put some glass in. It's been hitting the ASM back here. As you can see, I'm going to weld this up back here. This has never been welded. It's all not hooked up or nothing. So you can see it's going to look like this side. This ain't too bad. I'll clean this up real good. So I got some rust here I got to fix. Probably have to replace this. Yep, that's got to be replaced. That piece, this piece. But it's coming along. A couple more days of welding, grinding. But he just wants a little basic paint job on it, nothing fancy. We'll base coat, clear it, and that'll be it, man. It's gonna look real nice. He'll be able to drive it and enjoy himself, you know. Let's look this down a little bit. Well, I gotta clean up, but let me let her down. Let you take another look at the top part real quick. Then I'll take it up, clean my mess. Yep, she's ready to go down. Kind of give you a glimpse of the top of it. Once again. Yeah, so here's the back window. I mean, there was nothing there. The glass fell out completely on the thing, so she's getting there. Right across the top up here, I got to repair yet, but right here, this has to be repaired. Rolled it up. She's got some Bondo in her. Get all this here replaced, cut that out, and put some new metal in there. Yeah, it'll be all right. I'm gonna put some fiberglass in it. He's not gonna be like driving it in the salt or anything like that anyway. He's just gonna drive it on nice days, you know. It's gonna have a brand new stripe kit he already ordered for it, so yeah, he's gonna have a new vinyl top put back on it. It's gonna look pretty nice. You'll see the end results here pretty soon. It's not going to take me long once I get this welding and everything done, all this fab work. Once I get all the fab work done on it, all the metal work done, I go pretty quick on the body work. Get her knocked out, get it done, but give you a glimpse, you know. If you want, leave a comment. Any tips, leave a comment too, and you know, if you learned something from me, that's cool. Maybe I learned something from you guys, but give me some feedback if you want to. Good or bad, I don't care either way. Have a good day, everybody.